Hi, I'm Mark Cullen, coming to you from the Garden Shed. Now, having a beautiful garden can include attracting birds there. And there are 4 things that you'll need to do if you want to attract and keep birds coming to your garden. Number 1 is habitat, next food, water, and safety. You want to provide a secure environment for your birds as well. Habitat simply means a place for them to set up shop. And of course, birdhouses do the job very nicely, as do large shrubs and trees where many birds will come in, build their own nest, and have a family in your yard. As far as food is concerned, plant plants that produce fruit, like this holly, which is just covered in seasonal berries. When planting your fruit-bearing bushes and trees, consider using a high-quality soil like ProMix organic vegetable and herb mix with microactive technology. It has lots of peat moss to improve soil structure, and it feeds your plants for up to 3 months. The third thing is to make sure that you have water. A bird bath is a great idea, but make sure that you replace the water every week so that you don't breed mosquitoes in it. Providing a safe environment for birds, of course, means that you should really keep your cat indoors. It's difficult to calculate the number of birds that are lost to cats that are out of doors, but it's many millions of birds. You know, maintaining a healthy bird population in your yard and garden is really not that difficult if you keep these 4 things in mind, and you'll help the general decline of the bird population here in Canada.